Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use LegalZoom Legal Plan. First is to sign up and know your plan. Choose the right plan, for example, a Business Advantage Pro, Legal Advantage Plus. Now, 2 is to connect with an attorney. There are also use core benefits. You can add a consultation, document review, and a legal checkup. You can also maximize your plan, like for formations and compliance, and to make sure you are unlimited basic consultations, which are often cheaper than traditional hourly fees. Fifth is to manage your subscriptions, wherein monthly fees typically cost $39 and $99 per month for the Business Pro, while onto the Pro it costs $14.99 per month for the Personal Plus. And then when to use the plan versus if you wanted to hire outside. It is ideal for quick questions, contract checks, or planning basic legal tasks. Now for complex litigation, ongoing negotiations, or state-specific tax advice, consider hiring a full-service local attorney or an expert. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.